Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to walk you through the assembly of our modern changing table with Hamper and Three Baskets. Before you get started, please be sure to look at everything included. If there are any damaged or missing parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. Let's get started. For step 1, we're going to need part DR, part ER, part EF, and part DF. We're also going to need part A, and for our hardware, we're going to need 4 of our O's, 4 P's, and 4 S's, and we're also going to need a Phillips screwdriver. So now we're going to take our part A and we're going to line up our rails DF and EF, keeping in mind that our grooves need to align, and our holes for our barrel nuts should go towards the top. Now we're going to insert our pegs and our barrel nuts on both rails. And now I'm going to flip my part A over and repeat the same thing on the other side. So for step 2, we're going to need 2 of our part G, a part FF, and an FR, along with 2 of our bolts, 2 barrel nuts, 6 pegs, and our Allen wrench. Now we're going to attach our RF on the same side as our ER by putting our pegs in the holes and putting our barrel nuts in. Now we're going to flip over our part A and do the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to put our 4 pegs into our part G. Now we're going to take our part G and attach it on the top and the bottom with the countersunk holes facing our part A. Now for step 3, we're going to start with IT and IB. Our IT is going to slide into these top rails, and our IB is going to slide into our bottom ones. We're going to need our part B, 6 bolts, 6 barrel nuts, 6 pegs, and our Allen wrench. Now we're going to place all of our pegs and our barrel nuts into our rails before we attach our part B. Now we're going to take our part B and align our pegs with our holes and then insert our bolts. Now for step 4, we're going to need 2 part H1s and 2 part H2s along with 6 U-bolts. We're going to have our part H1s on the inside and our part H2s on the outside, keeping in mind that all of our stops need to be on the same side. So now we're going to take our safety belt and insert the bolt into the hole and screw the nut on the back with the wrench included. Now we're going to need our part K and 2 screws. We're going to take our part K and align it on the underside. Stick our screw through this hole and the hole in the changing table. Now using a Phillips screwdriver, I'm just going to attach the safety bar. Now we're going to insert the pad underneath the safety belt. And that concludes the assembly of our changing table and hamper with 3 baskets. Please remember to always use the safety belt included when changing your child, and never leave your child unattended. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the last clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.